Very clean body. Figured it didn't need anything. That's why I purchased it, but I was wrong. I went to take a look at it. I think I was more hyped than anything about it because I've been wanting a vehicle like this for a very long time. So, anyways, the guy looked like he took really good care of it. And can't beat buying something from an original owner, correct? So, since I bought it, things that I've changed: ignition coil. This looks like the original GM. So, got it changed. Wasn't bad at all. Obviously, belt didn't look bad either. Looks pretty good. Just changed it. Can't go wrong. I bought spark plug wires. These might have been changed, but they don't look so bad actually. And if you want to test them, you gotta measure the resistance in ohms. I think it's an ohm per foot or half. I'm not really sure, but I wasn't gonna waste time, so I got me a whole new set of AC Delco spark plug wires. Changed the wires. Also changed the wire from the coil to the distributor. And I forgot to put this on. Oh. Another wire. Now we have here. Oh. Also changed the ignition coil. This is the original one from 1999. It clearly says GM on it, unless I guess he bought one at the dealer, but AC Delco makes everything for Chevy, so I changed that. And then when I bought this vehicle, the cluster, I didn't realize that the check engine light was on, so scanned it. Now this is the original, from what it looks like to me, the original O2 sensor. I don't know if I can get a part number off of it, but this is the old school style. I have a new one I'll show you. Well, you guys can see when you go to the auto parts store. The new ones are, I think they're a little shorter and they look a whole lot better. This is such an old school style. I know this because I had a 96 Suburban and it was a pain in the ass to remove this thing. We had to torch it. There was so much rust buildup, so it was giving me a P040, I believe, code. It was just a heater code, meaning this thing wasn't getting hot enough to give a signal or anything like that. So replaced it. Check engine light went away, and I was able to pass New York State inspection with flying colors after this. All right, there's your O2 sensor. This is bank 1, sensor 2. So this is after the cap. Like I said, always go with AC Delco with these GM trucks. I have a very soft spot for these trucks, so why not spend the money, huh? And then while I was at it, we replaced the EGR valve. This didn't look so bad. It wasn't giving me any issues, but you know what? Why not? So replace the EGR valve. This might have been replaced once before, but it looks like it's an AC Delco piece. It says AC here, I don't know. And then it says made in the USA. If it'll fucking zoom in. Yeah, it says made in the USA. You gotta take my word for it. And here is your part number for. Oh, fell off. There's your part number. GR valve. And then what is in here? What was this? I'm trying to remember what this was. No, don't remember. So the reason there is a intake manifold gasket here, and this I believe is the throttle body gasket. It's because I was getting hesitation. Truck drove fine for like the first 2-3 days. Everything was perfect, and then I don't know, I felt it struggling. It felt like it was shuddering, and I was doing some research. I've never changed this before, or even knew this was part of the 5.7 liter engine, but apparently this is called the Plenium or something like that. It's a spider style pump, or should I say fuel injection system. This is your fuel pressure regulator. Sometimes these things go bad and it could cause the vehicle to stutter, and fuel gets pumped in here, and through these spider-like lines, they get pumped into your cylinder. The fuel gets pumped into there through this. So, and there's a connector up top. You see those pins on top. So the connector in there is in charge of, I guess, letting the fuel through depending on the timing or whatever. So, and that's it. That's it so far, guys. I also changed the tail lights. You know what they look like. These are the original tail lights. These have seen better days. They look like they've been repaired before. They got some glue on there. Yeah, they look terrible. And they're faded. So, got them replaced. Place all new LED bulbs and LED reverse bulbs. And hopefully I'll have a video up on that. So, that's the update with the 2-door. And let's see what else we're going to change. I think eventually I'll do the distributor cap, and let's see where it goes from there. Today I did the tail lights, I did throttle body cleaning, and I did an intake cleaner with some seafoam. Here's the garage. It's a mess. It's winter. Winter projects are at a standstill right now. I need this 2-door to run good for the winter because the Camaro isn't really gonna cut it. So got a lot of cleaning up to do here. Hopefully we can get this garage ready. Thanks for watching.